I think that there are different groups of people that will find benefit from different aspects of it. I mean, the anatomy nerds are just going to have a buffet of the latest in fascia science and biotensegrity concepts. And also having a concrete mapping system. I think people who love learning new anatomical concepts will dig it. But at the same token, all of the different movements are totally accessible to people of any age, ability, or stage of health. And so do movements that help to demonstrate the continuities of these meridians and self-treatment strategies that give you the power to know, oh, I'm missing movement here, thus I can use a rollout to help me improve that connectivity. And that then helps whole body mapping. So it's not just for the body educated, it's also for people who want an entry point into learning more about their body and being enriched by it.
It's suited to anyone with a body, anyone who is mobile enough to get down and roll out the various parts of your body. We've already seen it working with athletes, we've seen it working with people with low back pain, we've seen it working in the kinds of things that go with aging. These principles have to get out into the society, into the schools, into the hospitals, into the institutions, into the prisons. These are kinds of things that will help people change their attitude, and it's for that that I would like to see my anatomical understandings get out into the population through Jill's methods.